What is the benefit of the Laravel Herd? So it's no need to edit a path variables while you can changing the different PHP versions, and no need to uninstall the old versions and add the new versions for you. So Herd does it all the magic for you, and so you can add the different PHP versions, or by clicking the PHP version you will see all the PHP versions over here, and you can see the 7.48, and you can click it by install button, and here is all the installed one. What about the project configuration requirement you want to use, you can use by it. Here you can change the max file upload size, like I want to change it to 10, and for the memory limit you can change as per your requirement. Mm, you can update Laravel installer as well. You can change the port as well, and you can change all of the other things as here. You can add the new path here. You can run different. How you can change the versions, like here is using the Laravel 8.2, and I want to change it 8.4. So you can change 8 and run it like this. So here it is. So this is a very useful things for the project configurations. Like C drive, users, and hold, and open this project. By default, I've set it the 8.2 for as of now. So it's now I did the PHP version 8.2. But if I want to change the PHP version and I want to check, then I just use the things like PHP underscore info. So yes, here you can check the this project is using the version PHP 8.4.15, 15, or you want to change it to 8.3, then yes, definitely it's using the version 8.3.28. So here is the things I want to share with you.